This is how you can make $1,000 profit per month by selling on Amazon FBA. So what you're going to need to do first is sign up for an Amazon seller account if you haven't already. So what you're going to do, go to sellercentral.amazon.com and create an Amazon seller account. From there, you're going to need to look for profitable products to resell on Amazon. I will have a 10-day free trial of a program that I use called Tactical Arbitrage in the link in my bio that you can sign up for and get a 10-day free trial if you want to try that out. So the next thing you're going to do once you've found profitable products using Tactical Arbitrage or by manual sourcing, then you're going to need to purchase those items and send them either to your house or to a prep center. And from your house or the prep center, it's going to go to an Amazon FBA warehouse. From there, you're going to wait for your products to sell. Once they sell, then you're going to collect the money every 2 weeks, and then you're going to reinvest those profits into additional inventory. Now, how are you going to get to $1,000 profit per month? Well, in order to get to $1,000 profit per month, you need to be selling $5,000 per month at a 20% profit margin. So to sell $5,000, I recommend having $10,000 of inventory. That way you're selling through half of your inventory per month, and that's a realistic number, and 20% profit margin is also a realistic number. So in order to get that $1,000 profit per month, you're just gonna need to sell $5,000 of inventory per month. Now that's super realistic, and all you need to do, once again, go to the link in my bio, sign up for Tactical Arbitrage, and get started searching today. Start looking for profitable products to resell on Amazon. If you want to learn directly from me, I also have a step-by-step course that teaches you step-by-step how to sell on Amazon FBA. It's $997 and it will be going up in the new year. So if you want to get in now, it's in the link in my bio, or you can go directly to it at fbafreedomcourse.com. Thank you guys so much for watching this quick video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.